once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an animated character with Midjourney and then D-ID. Now, this is what I did.
Hello, this is Timothy.
Hello, this Timothy.
So before we do this, we need to actually go to Midjourney and then generate a character. And we'll bring it to this platform and then try animating it. And I'm going to show you how to do this. But before that, like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming video tutorials. So now we'll go back to Midjourney, and what we need to do is we'll go to the prompt and let's first type in some few keywords to generate some character. So let's say old man angry, and I'm just going to do something simple, and I want to add maybe realistic, and that is all. And I'll just hit enter, and then I want to generate some character for this. So this is going to generate my character for me right here. So you can see old man angry realistic, and I just have to relax and then watch this character being generated. So I can see my character right here generated, and I want to use one of these to do my animation. So I just want to go ahead and then animate one of these characters over here, and I think I like the fourth one. I like the look of the face. The first one is also not bad. Let's try and then pick any of them for this. So I'm actually going to go with the first one. So I'm just going to select the UI one, the U1. That's the first one, and it's actually going to generate this for me. Let's also try and then get the fourth one, and let's try the 2 and see how amazing that is going to look like. So we just have to go down here. It's going to generate that for us. So I just go down and see where I'm going to get that. So I think the one is being generated right here. I'm just going to relax to get this individual ones, and then I'll go back to the D-ID, and then go back to D-ID and then try to animate them. I think I have the other one too right here. So let me just wait for them to generate. Okay, I think I have the other one now. I think I have the other one here. I'm just going to save this one, and then okay, this one is PNG. So I think we'll use this for our animation. So I'll go back to this platform just as I made this animation. Now let's create this. So before you do that, you first need to come to this platform, and then you need to sign up. Go to, that's the d-id.com. You need to first sign up, and then you can use the trial version. Okay, and it's going to give you a lot of credit. I have about 18 left, and then they have the pricing as well. So if you want to go for a premium version, you can do that. So now to create this video or animated character, we have our image already saved. So I'll go to create video, and then over here they have some characters already, or presenters you can use in your animation. So you can see I have a lot of presenters I could have used within my presentation, but we want to use our own character. So in that case, we'll come here and then click on add, and we want to use this one. I'm just going to click on this, and then this is going to load the character we generated. So it's still loading this. I just have to give myself some time. Now I've loaded this successful onto this platform. Now you can upload your own audio or video or voice recording, and then this will be used to generate the animation for you. But in this case, we can use a script, or you want to write some text over here, and you can use that to generate your animated character. So now let's say I want to type something very simple. So yeah, this is just what I want to type. So I'm very angry right now. Please help me locate my son. So we just want to assume this man is very, very angry, and then we can actually play this and see.
I am very angry right now. Please help me locate my son.
Okay, so that is a voice, but this is a man. So we will try and then change this voice, this Jenny. We will try to get something like an. So we need to look for a voice. So let's pick Eric, because this is a man. let's pick a man's voice. So we can pick Eric over here, and then let's play this and see. You can also change the language. So let's go ahead and see.
I am very angry right now. Please help me locate my son.
So I think this voice is okay. You can also add some emotions to it, but we're going to stick to this. Now that I've added the text, that's the scripts, and I have my voice also, what I need to do next is to go ahead and generate my video. And we're actually going to animate this character now, and it's going to speak and then say these words as we have over here. So let's go ahead and click on generate video, and this is what we have. So go ahead and click on generate. So the video has been generated, and we can play and see.
I am very angry right now. Please help me locate my son.
So you can see how amazing this is looking. We've been able to go to Midjourney, generate a character. We've been able to generate a character from Midjourney. We brought it to D-ID, and then we managed to actually animate this. So we can easily use this method to create a complete animated video. We can use Midjourney to generate cartoons, and then we can animate them just by giving a script. So we can write a full script and then come down here and then try to animate them using this amazing platform. You can also check the pricing right here. The pricing is here. So this is the pricing. I'm currently using the free version, and we have the pricing. You can easily use the light for individual, which you are paying less than $6 per month, and there's amazing other ones, and there's some other ones over here that you can pick from. Currently the trial version is okay for me, so I can go ahead and create a lot of animated video and add script to them. So this is how to create simple animated video using Midjourney and D-ID. Till I come your way again. Bye bye.
I am very angry right now. Please help me locate my son.
Hello, this is Timothy.
Hello, this Timothy.